me some shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and make me a little, a little sneaker collection, little type shit, you feel me? Nothing crazy. I'm not like y'all. Any sneaker collection is good. Don't get me wrong. You can have whatever you want in your sneaker collection. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my favorite shoes. First, right here, Brett Fours. If y'all know, I love Fours. Like, bro, you can never go wrong with these. These go with anything for real. Black, red, whatever. Like, you see what, like, it goes with the tech I got on, but these are my favorite shoes ever. We're gonna start off with these right here. You want to see the Chicago ones as you see these things. Shout out to my man's Target, got me these. I picked these up during the pandemic. So y'all know the money was busting back then. Shit, second pair of shoes. Listen, these right here, I almost quit my job because of these, bro. Anybody that know the story knows how hard I fought to get these, because I almost quit my job, bro. Because my manager wanted to play games and stuff, But it's all cool, though. We all good now. To be honest, I ain't gonna cap to you. I don't even know why I got these in my collection, because I barely wear these. Y'all see, it's catching dust. Like, literally, some of these shoes I don't ever touch. It's not a good thing. But after I wore them, after a while, I got so much shoes in here, like, I don't see some of these shoes ever again. But I'm gonna make it a thing to wear these at least like a couple of times a month, throw something on. But I got these ones right here. I ain't gonna lie, I wear my shits, bro. Don't say I don't wear my shoes, bro. I wear mine. You see, like, little crease in the top or whatever. These are not bad, I ain't gonna lie. Little cool gray and black colorway. By the way, y'all wonder where I picked these up from? Finish Line. When I used to work in the stores in Finish Line. That's where I got my shoes from. So y'all be like, oh, how come you got a lot of shoes? Buddy, I work for them. Feel me? These shits right here, bro. People don't really like them, but I ain't gonna lie, I like them. Like, it's something a little different, you feel me? You can put something on with these, but people don't really like them. But it is what it is. I think that's not all of my ones. These are like one of my recent cops. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. These haven't even been on my feet yet. I just laced them up and threw them back in the box. But yeah, keeping them right in the box. But yeah, I haven't worn these yet. Pretty sure some of y'all probably got way more shoes than me. That's cool though. Let me show you one of my favorite dunks. Look at these right here, bro. Look at these bad boys. Purple and white. I ain't gonna lie. I seen these before they came out, and I was like, bro, I want them. Like, you can't go wrong. It's like white and purple. And plus, I got a shirt. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how y'all throw your fits on, but like, if I have a shirt or I have a shoe, like, I base it off of a shirt or shoe. Like, if I got one of those, I'm gonna go find a shoe or a shirt, the same color, kind of matches it, and that's how I be putting my shit on. Put that shit on. Boom. So I'll keep going with dunks, I guess. UNC's. Love these. As you see, I barely wear these anymore. Like, it's still kind of dirty, but I barely wear these anymore. Boom. Let's go to my favorite fours. Like, well, not my favorite, but like, favorite pair of Jordans that are, collection that they make. Like, I don't know what I'm saying right now. I'm chatting a lot. And, I'm just here to show y'all niggas some shoes, bro. But these right here, Lightning Fours, I picked these up when I was in Indiana. Struggle to get these, bro. Like, couldn't get them from my store. I had to pay resale for these. I don't usually do that. Like, most of my shoes I have in here, got them for retail. I'm not buying no shoe for like 300 plus. You're tweaking. Yeah, like, you're tweaking. These right here, cool grade fours, you feel me? Put a little touch to them. they don't come with no yes, they don't come with no yellow laces. You feel me? I had to put these shits on. I'm gonna have to take them off soon, but these are really nice. I ain't gonna cap, really nice. They're not that comfortable though, but I still love my fours. UNC fours, bro. These you can't wear in the rain, snow, nothing, like, cause you mess these up, like you're not getting, like they're not gonna look any good. But love these, you feel me? Can't go wrong with these either. As y'all see, I love fours. Just another one right here. These are fucking sexy. I ain't gonna cap to you. You shitting me? Get you a pair. The ones that everybody wants. These right here, when I first got, bro, I got these when I was in college, right? Peep. Like, I had no money in my account. I seen that these bitches drop. I called my mom. I'm like, yo, some shoes came out today, bro. I need them. I ain't got no money. Can you buy me, you know, W mom, feel me? She always come in clutch whenever I need it, but that's how I got these, like, literally, bro. Broke college student. Caught me some fucking black cats. Boom. Military fours. Well, not the ones, military black fours. Let me get it right before some of y'all start cooking me like, nigga, you don't know shit about shoes. I'm not like y'all. I just love shoes, you feel me? I'm not saying I'm a sneakerhead either. Don't come for me. But these shits are smooth as hell. I ain't gonna cap. Look at them. Well, I'm sure. I'm doing too much. These though, bro, I have not worn these in that long. Fire red force. Am I even saying it right? I don't even care. But look at these right here, bro. God. Like, so far, shit, I ain't gonna lie, I skip over threes. I only got 2 pairs of threes in my collection, but I actually wore these today. Fragment threes. I got these by fucking trading a couple of shoes that I had. I used to get every shoe that came out when I used to work at the stores, but I started noticing, like, bro, you're not really picking up shit. Like, you just getting all the general releases, but I traded these. I traded a couple of shoes for these, but these are really nice. The only thing about these, the aging, bro, but I still like them. I ain't gonna cap. My other ones, these are my babies right here. I wear these all the time, as you can see. They're beat, but I still rock them though. Feel me? I do whatever in these. I cut grass, all that. These are for hard work and hard work only. You're not about that life, put these down. I got another pair of threes in here. I thought I only had 2, but Georgetowns. Couldn't go wrong with these either, bro. Got some pants to match these, bro. Like, I used to wear these a lot too. Love them. What else we going to? Oh, shit, I'm not even done with fours, but I'm just skipping around at this point because it's like I don't even know where some of these shoes are. But I look over them like, oh, these right here, court purple fours. Got these from my cousin. Shout out to my cousin. Feel me? Hooked me up with these. We're on to 5. I'm not missing nothing. Fire Reds. These is, bro, I play ball in these. I do whatever in these. Like, I didn't have ball shoes at one point, so I had to pick these up and play ball in them. I don't regret them. They just heavy as hell, bro. Anybody that plays ball in 5s, bro, you know how heavy these shits are. These shits are equivalent to fucking foam posits. And to me. Not to everybody, but to me. These things right here, my brother. Ooh. I low-key like purple. I ain't gonna cap. It gave me a little Saints Row, you know, type of shit, but I fuck with these. I low-key fucked them up, but it is what it is. Still gotta keep them in the collection, though. Now, these shoes right here, though, got a story behind these. Like, they almost dropped me, my bad. Went to the outlet, bro. I was like, I might have been like high school or whatever. Went to the outlet with my dad and my mom. And my dad seen these and he picked them up. And he never really wore them. Like, my dad be getting stuff and like, he just wear the same one shoe. He's a fan of twos. He just got some, look at the new twos that just came out. But he got these and I was like, fuck it, I might as well just start wearing them since he's not wearing them. These are a size 10.5, and mind you, I'm a 13. Should not be putting my feet in no 10.5, but it fits though. Like after like an hour or two, I gotta take these shits off. I only wear these, you feel me? Just so you know, just to wear them. These right here. I'm not a big fan of 6s, but since like I peeped that I had a lot of like UNC colorways, I just went ahead and got them. You know, just to, you know, put them in the collection. You know, one thing I regret, bro, selling a pair of UNC ones to my boy. But yo, if you want to give that back, just let me know. You feel me? I'm always here. What the fuck we going into, bro? Hold on. You feel me? Cool grays. They still look crispy, clean. I only wore it a couple of times. Bottom still icy, you feel me? But can't go wrong with these either. Cool grays. Oh man, these right here, bro, been through a lot. These are the first cool grays that I got before I was able to get the ones that I have now. But it's just like kind of like every kid's story, like the shoes that you couldn't get before or the shoes you're getting now, you feel me? So as soon as we got a little bit of money, start getting the shit that we want. What are you talking about? I love these 14. Fun fact, first pair of Jordans I ever got, lat shot 14s. And if you went to the YMCA in Lynn, when you see me pull up with the 14s, everybody's like, damn, where the fuck you get them shits from? I'm like, shit, my mom. I don't even know what to do at the time. Mind you, straight off the boat, too. So it's like, shit, I had that shit on. Those were the first pair of Jordans I ever had. Yeah, but these right here, love them. Can't go wrong with these either. It looks like I like a lot of red. Like, I got a lot of shoes in here that are red. I'm a dude that got a lot of flavor, you feel me? Red, blue, yellow, you name it, I got it. First pair of Yeezys and only pair of Yeezys I'm ever gonna have. Well, these, but Kanye, you done failed us, bro. You failed us. You fucking failed us, nigga. But nonetheless, you got these right here. Pick these up at the corporate office. You feel me? These are nice though. You gonna cap? Now we're getting into some Commandi Garçons. I don't think people really wear these like that, but I honestly got them because I think about Valentine's Day. You know, Valentine's Day coming, so feel me? If y'all need a Valentine's date or whatever, I'm here so I can put these shits on. That's all I want to do, but just put these shits on. I don't want nothing to do with you or nothing like that. I just want to wear these out one more time. But I think that kind of concludes. It's not all the sneakers I have, but some of them in my living room, and I don't feel like going to go get them. So, I'm just going to end and say this is like the end of the video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Fucking with your boy. We out.